Welcome back to our channel again, Cloud Institution. So today in this video we're going to see another important concept, which is Terraform replace command. Okay, so we're going to see that replace command in Azure, and we're going to see why the replace command is very important and in what scenarios we can use this replace command. Okay, for example, now, so what is the Terraform replace command will do now? So Terraform replace is the flag. Okay, so that is used with the Terraform apply command, and it is suggested a way to force Terraform to recreate the specific resources. Okay, so as the name suggested, right, so as you can see here, right, so Terraform replace flag is used to, work with Terraform apply just to recreate some of the resources. Okay, so it replaces the specific resource. Okay, it value defined the resources identifier that should be replaced with the existing configurations mentioned in the same Terraform code. Okay, so now what we can just see with one of the very important demo. Okay, so now you can go back here. Okay, so now, so in this video, I mean in this code, so we are creating a lot of interfaces, a lot of resources. Okay, one is Terraform resource group, and another one is Azure RM virtual network, another one is Azure RM subnets, and then the Azure RM network interfaces. Okay, so now if I do Terraform plan, now if you do Terraform plan, so okay, so it's going to be refresh the states. Okay, so now if you can go back to our the browser, and then you can refresh our console in the under the resource group. You can see, as you can see here. Okay, so Terraform, okay, so the Terraform network interface is created already. So the network interface name is going to be nickname. So nickname is going to be cloud-institution nick. Okay, so that's for the network interface card which has been created. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is that, okay, I'm going here and says that, okay, let's go inside this Terraform interface. Okay, so this is the network interface, right? So this is taking the IP address of 10.0.0.4. Okay, so now what happens is that if any of the resources are damaged, or so any of the resources you want to replace it, right? So if it is degraded, for example, I don't want these resources to be available here. Probably I want this network interface to be taking up some other IP addresses. Okay, just for example, right? So it may take the same IP addresses also, so I don't know, but so because it is a network interface, it may take any of the other available IP addresses, okay, within the range. Okay, this is working with the cloud institution subnet. So in the subnet, we'll be having, okay, this is the subnet name. Subnet name is subnet 1. Okay, so now if you can go back here, and if you can see here subnet, okay, under vnet, and you can see subnet 1. Okay, so it is having 10 available IP addresses. Okay, some of the cases I don't want the network interface to be having the same IP addresses. I wanted to recreate that IP addresses. Okay, so in this case what I can do is that I wanted to, okay, so because whenever I'm making some changes, it is not working, right? Like now what I have to do is that I have to use some kind of a command called Terraform, okay, replace. Okay, Terraform replace with a, okay, Terraform plan, okay, Terraform plan, okay, hyphen replace. Okay, hyphen replace is equal to, and the resource name, is going to be Azure RM network interface. Okay, and then dot example. Okay, so the moment when I do a Terraform plan with the replace command, what is going to be happening is that if you can see the Terraform plan, you'll be understanding. Okay, previously the Terraform plan is not showing any kind of changes in the configurations. Okay, now I'm doing a Terraform plan. So you can see here, right, the Terraform plan will be showing like in the replace option. So Terraform, what's happening is that whenever we are having a Terraform with the replace command, it will try to recreate that particular resource. So in this case, I'm replacing the network interface, which provides IP address for the virtual machines and all this stuff, right? So now is going to be replaced. So here see the private IP addresses. Okay, so it's telling that currently this is the IP addresses, is it can be changed, it can be known after the apply. Okay, so now I'm going to do a Terraform apply. Okay, and then I can replace equal to, and I'm copying the same resource and I'm just paste it over here. Now let's see what's happening. So it will be replacing the particular network interface card. Okay, but we are not sure that will it take the same IP addresses or different IP addresses. Okay, okay, now as you can see here, it's going to be getting replaced. Okay, I'm going to give the value called yes. Okay, so in a fraction of a minute the resource will be getting started. So now it started destroying the resource, right? So now as you can see here, we can go back and we can see here, if we can refresh it now. Okay, the network interface is still available. Okay, now as you can see, the network interface card is gone. Okay, so we have the the key vault, we have key vault disk, all these things are there, but the network interface card is completely gone. Okay, and as you can see here, the Terraform apply is also completed. Okay, apply is also completed, right? Now what we can do is we can go and refresh this page again. You can see the network interface is being created. Okay, now let's go back here. Okay, but still even then it's get the same IP addresses. Okay, so maybe system is automatically taking this IP address, right? So it doesn't matter, but the matter what is matter is that it's going to be the replacing the existing resource and recreate it. Okay, so all the configurations, the ID, everything will be get changed. Okay, so whatever the resource ID, everything will be get changed, is gonna get replaced with the uh, newer resources. Okay, likewise you can also do the same kind of configuration with multiple things. Okay, so in this case, if you want to recreate the Azure subnets, okay, so because the Azure subnet is already been associated over this one. Okay, so now if you want to replace with Azure subnet, what you have to do, as an example, Terraform, okay, plan, okay, plan hyphen replace is equal to Azure subnet and then this one. Okay, so the moment when you give this command, okay, it's going to be showing that it's going to be destroying. Okay, it's going to be replaced. Because of that is getting replaced, so the subnet ID will also be getting changed. Okay, so the subnet ID will be replaced as well. Okay, if you can do Terraform apply with this replacement, then it's going to create a subnet. All the resources, all the resources, whatever it is associated, will be getting changed as well. Okay, now if you can do Terraform apply, okay, so now this resource will be getting replaced with the current configurations of the system. All right, so yeah, I think deleting subnet is just giving. Okay, IP configuration internal cannot be deleted. Okay, so in order to delete the subnet, delete all the resources within the subnet. Okay, so first of all we need to delete this, name is called internal. First we need to delete this one, and then it should be able to replace this one. Okay, so that is the reason why it is not deleting. So there is a dependency within Azure subnet and the network interface, right? So first of all you need to delete this one. Okay, how do you delete it? So as you can see, we have just already seen in the last classes that Terraform destroy, okay, hyphen target is equal to network interface and this one, and then example. Okay, now if you can do destroy, so first it will delete the network interface. Okay, and then it will try to delete the subnet as well. If you just replace it, then try to delete the subnet. Okay, as you can see here, this command will try to destroy the particular network interface. Okay, I'm not going to delete it. So this is just for example, I'm just going to show you to, right? So now hope you understand this concept, right? So why we using Terraform target and why we using Terraform, so Terraform, so what we call, so with the different commands, right? Terraform replace. Okay, so we have seen what is the Terraform replace command and also the Terraform target command. Okay, so and also we have in the last video we have also seen the Terraform taint command as well. Okay, so these are all the commands are really important in the Terraform world if you're working in some kind of a real-time companies. So these kind of commands will be really helpful for you to work on Terraform configuration day by day. Okay, so that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching our video. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. So and we are going to see you again in the next video with some different topics. Okay, thank you so much.